everybody, welcome to my bedroom. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know how much I love changing up my room. The last time I did a room transformation video was about 4 months ago, and I've changed it up a little bit since then. So I thought it would be fun to give you guys an updated room tour. The links to everything that I can possibly find will be in the description, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you walk in and the first thing that you see is this corkboard from Target. It was like $5 from the dollar section. Just warning you guys right now, a lot of stuff in this video is gonna be from the Target dollar section. If it is, it probably won't be linked in the description just because I've never been able to find anything from the dollar section on the Target website. So I apologize for that, but pretty much everything else will be linked down below. Okay, back to the tour. This was originally meant to be a vision board for 2021, but it is now June and I still haven't made the vision board. Okay, moving on over here, I have this white trash can from Five Below, and then above it, I have some prints and some vinyls. So up here I have the Positions vinyl and then the Fine Line vinyl. Right here are these pictures that I found on Pinterest that I printed out from the UPS store. By the way, I have a lot of prints in my room, so I'll just say this right now. I'm gonna try to make a Google Drive link that has all of the pictures that I have on my wall or just in my room in general on it, so that you guys don't have to like go look through Pinterest or anything, and you can just download them directly from there. And then to print them out, I just looked up like UPS prints and it was super easy. I printed out like over 20 things and it was only $12, I think, so pretty affordable too. And then I also have the Sour CD right here that I got from Target. Comment down below your favorite song on the album. Mine is Jealousy Jealousy. And then right here I have this little tray from the Target dollar section, and in it I have some Glossier lip balms. I do have a link where you guys can get 10% off at Glossier. It's just like a referral link, so I'll leave that in the description. And then I have this little candle holder from Five Below that has a fake candle in it. Forgot to turn it on. Right here I have a Polaroid of my best friend, and then this bracelet from a local spiritual shop. And then I have this set of bobby pins and this little barrette from Princess Polly, and then these earrings are also from Princess Polly. And then I have this plant that is very obviously dying. I am horrible at taking care of plants, but I've been trying my best to keep it alive. I've had it for a while now. My best friend got it for me as a gift. I know it's from Target though. And then right here I have this little vase that is also from the Target dollar section. It came in a pack of 3 and I just painted it. And then these are just like some flowers that are fake. And then right here I have my little ring dish. So I also painted this one. I don't know if you can see because the rings are all covering it, but it just has some little flowers on it, and it's also from the Target dollar section. I'll also have a list of places that I get my rings from on the screen. And then right here I have this little note that my friend Alexis wrote me. Okay, so this is my dresser. I want to say that it's from Pottery Barn, but it's also probably as old as I am, so it might be kind of hard to find. And then on the other side of my dresser I just have these 2 Polaroids of me and my best friend. We just like went on a picnic and then took pictures of each other. That's why I have a picture of myself displayed in my room. Normally I would not do that because that's super conceited, but I just thought these pictures looked cute together. And then right here I have this little bubble candle. This is from Amazon. It smells really good, but I've never lit it before because I don't want to mess it up. And then I have this plant from Target. And then right here I have these 2 little crates. These are from the website smallable.com. I know you can get them on AliExpress though for super cheap too. I just didn't know about the quality of the AliExpress ones, so I just stuck with these. The shipping from this website was also kind of expensive, but it could just be because I live in the US. In the first one I just have some Glossier products right here. So I have the body oil. I don't know if I would recommend this honestly. I feel like you could get the same thing for a lot cheaper. And then I have the futuredew right here. I haven't tried it yet because I just got this in the mail, but I'll update you guys in a vlog or something and see if it's good. Then right here I have an empty bottle of their body wash. I just put water in here and I use it to water my plants sometimes. Right here I just have a mini serum and then the Glossier perfume, which I definitely recommend. I love this stuff. And just a reminder, I do have a link that you can get 10% off with from Glossier, so check the description for that. I'll also have the names of all these products in the description. And then just some deodorant, the Thank You Next Ariana Grande perfume. I have some claw clips, another little one that's from Princess Polly, and then these big ones are from Amazon. I have some sunglasses from Princess Polly, and then also some Glossier lip glosses. So that's everything in the first box. And then in the second one, I just have some like random stuff that I just don't really want like on display. And then right here, I have more Glossier products. These are the Ultra Lips. I have them in the shades, I think Villa, and then this one is in the shade Portrait. And then I have this little plant from the Target dollar section. section. And then above it, I have 2 prints. Same as these other ones, I'll have them in the description. And then over here, I have my hanging plant. So the plant is fake, it's from Target. I'm horrible at taking care of plants, as you can see. So I usually stick with fake plants, but I'm trying to get better. And then I made this little like plant hanger just from some yarn I got from Michael's. It was super easy. Just look up like DIY macrame plant hanger. And then right here, I have this mirror that everyone asks me about. So it's from Target. I'll have the link in the description. Let me take this hat off so I can open it up. This is why I love it so much. It has so much storage in it for jewelry and just whatever you need. So I have some earrings in this section, some scrunchies on here, and then some necklaces, some more necklaces over here. And then this is holding some like rings and other earrings and stuff. And then there's just a bunch of random stuff in all these drawers. I won't go too much into it because I promise you it's boring. So that's what the inside looks like. And then I have this navy blue Yankees hat that I got from Urban Outfitters just hanging on the top. I definitely recommend getting this mirror. I think it's so nice. And then right here, I have this tote bag hanging on the wall. This tote bag is from Urban Outfitters. And then moving on down here, I have this little stand that holds my record player. The record player is from Walmart. I don't actually use it to play records. I just use it for the Bluetooth speaker because I've heard that this record player really damages your vinyls. So I kind of stopped using it because I don't want to ruin any of my vinyls, of course. So I just use the speaker function with my phone and it works really well. And then on it, I have this vinyl. This is a thrifted vinyl. I literally don't even know what it is. I should probably clean that. It's getting dusty. And then down here, I have some books. I'm reading this one right now. I'm kind of in a little reading slump, so I'm trying to get back into it, but I stopped reading it for a while. I highly recommend this series. This one is so good. The first one is called One of Us is Lying by Karen McManus, I think. And then this is the second one. It's called One of Us is Next. And then I just have a bunch of like the vinyl covers. And then right here, I have my little nightstand. This is just like a patio table from Amazon. On it, I have this candle. It's from Bath & Body Works. This is the vanilla bean one. Highly recommend. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then I have this vase that I thrifted with some fake tulips in here. I really wanted to get real ones, but I could not find real tulips anywhere. So I got this little fake bouquet from Kirkland's. And then right here, I have this little mug that I thrifted, and it just has my reading glasses and then my LED light like remote, and then some Glossier lip balm. I think there's something else in there. Oh yeah, I have an essential oil in here too. This one is lavender. And then right here is my bed. So I get a lot of questions about where my bed is from. I feel like I've talked about this a lot, but it's from a local furniture store. Obviously, I'm not gonna say the name of the store because I don't want people to know where I live, but I have seen other people with this bed before. I know it's not like an uncommon bed. I'm sure it would be really easy to find. Just check your local furniture stores. And then my bedding is from Wayfair. So I am obsessed with this comforter. It's reversible. So one side is this blush pink color and then the other side is sage green. It's a little bit pricey, but you're basically getting 2 comforters in one. So I think it's worth it. I also just love it so much. It came with one pillow sham that was also reversible, but I wanted to get 2. So I just so happened to get 2 that exactly matched the pink color. All of these pillows are from Amazon. These ones are just these ruffly sage green shams. And then right here, I have these shelves. These shelves are from Amazon. And then on the first one, I have this salt lamp. It's from Five Below. It originally did like plug in and light up, but it barely even looked like it was on. So I decided to just cut the cord off and then use it as a decoration on my shelf. And then this plant is from Target, and this little shell light is from Amazon. And this thing does turn on. Just looks like that. The battery in it isn't very strong though, so this light doesn't last long. It ends up dimming after like 5 minutes usually. So I don't really turn it on, but it does look really pretty. And then on the next shelf, I have this little mug. This is from Home Goods, and it came with the plant inside it and everything. I love it so much. It is so cute. And then I have this little mermaid with flowers in it. It's from a local spiritual shop. And then I have my Polaroid. And then up on this top shelf right here, I have another little vase that I painted from Target. And then this little picture frame that I thrifted and also painted. And it just has a picture of me and my sister in it. And then this camera, I feel like I get a lot of questions about this camera. It's the Kodak M50, and I got it for my birthday from my best friend, but he said he got it on eBay, so hopefully that helps. Wait, did I just say M50? I meant M35. The M50 is this camera that I'm filming on right now. Okay, so now I have these vines on my wall. These vines are from Amazon, and then I have some string lights kind of just like intertwined, and then the little battery pack is right here. I'll turn them on. So this is what it looks like when the lights are on. I think it looks really cute, especially at night. And then right here, I have my collage wall, which I love so much. I'll do kind of an overview of just every little section of it. I won't go over the prints though, because like I said, they'll be in the description. Right here, I have the fine line vinyl, my YouTube plaque, and then some Polaroids around it that I printed out from my phone with my Polaroid printer. And then these flowers are also just these same prints, but I just cut them out. And then these smaller pictures that you guys see are gonna be from Walgreens. You probably recognize this one from over here. It's the same print. I have the Igor vinyl and then some some Wildflower stickers right here that just came with some cases, some more Polaroids. I have the Positions vinyl right here. This vinyl was from Amazon and this one was from the like Shop Ariana Grande website. And then just a bunch more prints and this little heart mirror. I'm obsessed with this mirror. I think it's the cutest thing ever. I highly recommend getting it. It's from Amazon. And then I also forgot to mention my LED lights are from Amazon. They go all the way around my room, which I really like. And then I kind of was able to hide the wires in this corner right here, so you can only see them if you're standing like over here. So it kind of looks like they're just seamless, if that makes sense. And then right here, I have this hanging plant from Target. It was originally a black pot, but I painted it this like light pink peachy color. And then right here, I have this little ladder shelf from Amazon. Again, it'll be linked down below. It was super easy to put together and it was like 40 bucks. On the top shelf right here, I just have some of my crystals. All of the crystals are either from a local spiritual shop or they were gifted to me. On this second shelf, I have this little plant from Target, this light from Five Below. It is like super dim though sometimes. Like it's the same as the little shell light on my other shelf. It'll stay on for like 5 minutes and then it'll basically look like it's off because the light will get so dim. I'm not really mad about it though because it was only 5 bucks. And it also connects to your phone so you can change it to any color you want. I'm gonna turn it off for now. And then right here, I have this little heart dish from Target and it just has some other rings in it. On this shelf, I have this little box that my best friend got me. I think it's from Etsy. And then the Glossier body lotion. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. And then this plant also from the Target dollar section. Down here, I just have some books, another plant from Target, and then this teapot that my grandma gave me. And then right here, I just have a bunch of skincare stuff. So I have this makeup bag from Glossier, and then I don't know, there's a bunch of stuff in here. I won't go too much into detail. And then this is just another one of those crates from Smallable. And then on the side, I have this tote bag from Princess Polly, and then my purse from Urban Outfitters. And then I have my closet. I won't really go into detail about my closet because it's very messy if I'm being honest. Speaking of my closet though, I do have a Depop if you guys want to check it out. My username is KennaMarie02. I'll have it linked in the description. Before I move on, I totally forgot to mention that there's like storage under this bed. So only the bottom 3 drawers work. This one, I just have some stuff to package Depop orders and then some extra like skincare stuff. This one, I have some technology stuff and just like phone cases. And then this one, I'm not gonna bother opening it because I would have to move all this, but it's just a bunch of random stuff that just doesn't really have a place. And then I don't know if you can tell, but this whole thing pulls out because it's actually a trundle, but I don't have a mattress in there. I just use it for storage. So I just have a bunch of like bins in there that have a bunch of random stuff in it. However, it is so difficult to get out. I try to never open this thing because it takes forever to open and then put back in. Okay, anyways, moving on to my desk area, which is one of my favorite parts of my room. This right here is probably new to you guys. I just put it together. So they're just these 2 wall grids from Amazon, and then they come with these little baskets that attach to them. I unboxed this in my last vlog if you want to see that. And then it also came with all the clothespins that you see on it and then some string lights too. I'll turn them on so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like with the string lights on it. I'm obsessed with my desk area. I think it looks so cute. So on it, I just have a bunch of prints, which again will be linked in the description. And then I have like a couple Glossier stickers on it and then a couple Wildflower stickers. So I have this bear one, my Libra one, and then there's another one over here, the Peace and Love one. And then in the baskets, I have this little plant from Michael's and then some post-it notes from Target and my AirPods. By the way, this is not a case for my AirPods. These are just stickers. I feel like I get a lot of questions about it, but yeah, they're just stickers from Target. And then in this other basket, I have a bunch of Glossier lip balms. Look at this tiny one that I just got in the mail. I'm in love with it. It comes in the skincare kit, and that's like the only way you can get it. And then it also comes with the original one. I clearly am in love with these lip balms. I highly recommend them. And then I have the Glossier hand lotion right here. And then the string lights battery pack is right here. And then I have this little fan that's from the Dollar Tree. And then on my desk, I have this salt lamp from Urban Outfitters. If you're gonna buy anything that I show in this video, buy this salt lamp. I can't explain it, but whenever I turn it on, it just genuinely makes me happier. I love ambient lighting, and this thing just makes my room feel so cozy. I swear my room is just different when it's on. And you can also control how dim it is if you want to. So I always have it on the brightest setting. And then I have this candle. This is from Birth Date Candles. They sent it to me and it just has my birthday on it and it smells really good. And then I have this little coaster. I made this out of clay and then just painted it. I just used the air dry clay from Crayola. Then I have my iPad. I do have a video about what's on my iPad if you want to go watch it. And then my laptop, I have the MacBook Pro 13-inch, and this case is from Amazon. Then I have my Canon G7X right here, and then this little white organizer. This is from Target. Inside, I just have this little notebook, some scissors. I have these mild liners from Target, and then just some like colorful pens and pencils and stuff. And I have my hard drive and some sticky notes, and then some essential oils and these little like natural calming pills. And then this lamp from Target. By the way, my phone case is from Wildflower Cases. I do have a referral link where you can get $5 off if you guys want to use it. It'll be in the description. And then my desk itself is from Target. I love it so much. It has 2 drawers. They are both very messy, so I won't go into detail. And then it has this little compartment for like an outlet. So I have some like chargers in there and stuff. This thing is so convenient. And then it has this little like slot that you can feed the cords through if you need to charge something, but you don't want it to be like open. And then my desk chair is also from Target. I haven't been able to find a link for it, so I apologize. I think my mom found this chair a while ago and it was in like the kids section or something. It was online. And then on it, I have a pillow that used to be on my bed, but I decided to move it over here and I think it looks so good. It's so comfy. It's just this little flower pillow from Amazon. And I believe that concludes my room tour. One thing I do want to say before this video ends is just that I highly recommend investing in your space. My room has just become my little sanctuary. I'm so in love with it. I swear, just like enjoying the space that you're in really does change your mood. Like I wake up every morning in a better mood because my room is just full of stuff that I like and I was able to personalize it. It doesn't have to be super expensive either. A lot of this stuff is super affordable. You guys saw a lot of my stuff was from the Target dollar section. All of the prints in my room combined were probably like 30 bucks. I don't know, some people may not think it's worth it, but I personally think it is. That's why you guys see so many videos on my bedroom and just me changing it up and stuff. I'm just very grateful to be able to have this space and to be able to decorate it and stuff. So I don't know, I think that's everything that I wanted to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications while you're at it. And if you stayed up until this point in the video, comment down below the plant emoji. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.